Hi, I'm Karen. We're kayaking here on Pyramina, Browns River, Lutruwita, Tasmania. Outdoors have been my life, like forever. It's often also been my job. I was an outdoor guide for about 15 years, professional sailor on a flotilla in Greece. I've had my own outdoor business with not just kayaking, but rafting, canyoning, rock climbing. I consider myself an outdoorsy person, but I'm also human and growing old, and I've needed to change the way I engage with the outdoors as I've aged. And that's what the inflatables have enabled me to do, to still be an outdoorsy person, to still do multi-day kayaking trips and yet, feel safe and capable and be able to lift my kayak out of the water. So I had some specific needs that the inflatable would have to meet. Probably the main one is that it paddled well, so that it tracked well. I needed it to be really robust, so I've done a lot of whitewater rafting. I've been a river guide and I know how inflatables can wear and tear over time, so it had to be robust. I had to be certain that it would take frequent use. I'm looking for some space for overnight expeditions. I like multi-day kayaking trips. It should have a great glide, it should track well, it should almost be effortless to kayak. As soon as I got in the expedition, I knew it had all those things, far more than I would have imagined an inflatable would have. There was no point in keeping the hard shell kayaks because they just became superfluous, too heavy, too limiting. I can put the inflatable on my back and walk with my stuff anywhere, and it's just so much more accessible. The most memorable trip I've done in an inflatable would be a couple of days recently on Lake Pedder. It's an absolutely amazing environment, spitting distance from the Antarctic. It can be incredibly treacherous, and so you don't want to be down there with second-rate equipment. We just felt safe in these boats. We felt like that they were of the quality that could match the elements. And we had some good weather and, could do some pretty serious distances as well. So we saw some fantastic scenery. For a lot of people, the barrier is somewhere to store your kayak and a way to move it around. Do you need roof racks, and do you need a large car? Do you need a garage to store it in? That will inevitably lead you to an inflatable because it ticks all those boxes. Then you'd be thinking about what sort of kayaking you want to do. What is it overnight? Is it just pottering around local waterways? So if you consider what the barriers are first and then solve it with inflatables.